So we start off today's video with this long to short transformation. She has a shoulder length bob here and switches it up to this beautiful pixie style. Absolutely stunning hair change. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more amazing hair transformations to give you some hair inspiration that you can try out this winter season. So if you're looking for some new ways to shake up your boring strands, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So speaking of hair trends, we have someone going with the retro hair trend for this next look. Really playing into that mullet mixie style. That is, of course, a shorter mixie cut. Beautiful baby bangs going there in the front. This is such a cute and trendy hairstyle idea. Next up, we see someone with long blonde hair, and this stylist has the clippers. So it looks like she might be getting an undercut here. Ooh, another kind of rocker chic style. So she did one portion of the hair shaven, and then did like a bob throughout. A lot of layers within this very cute and unique style. And then we see this beautiful polished red bob with bangs. I love this reddish burgundy color that she has for this particular look. I think that it is absolutely beautiful. Next up, we see someone with shoulder length hair, and it looks like the stylist is going to do a bob haircut here. Beautiful pixie bob style or mini bob. Very, very cute. And then he does add a nice little wave to create that tousled look. And then we see someone with mid-length hair. Looks like we have another bob hairstyle. Also playing into that pixie bob, mini bob trend. She mixed in some color. Wow. Wow, she looks absolutely beautiful. I think the color really accented the cut so well. Beautifully done. Next up, we have someone once again with mid-back length hair. It looks like he's going to be doing some layers. Imagine working at a salon and it's so nice outside that you cut the hair outdoors. Seems like it would be very relaxing for the clients and also the hairstylist. So he does some beautiful Bardot inspired bangs here. These are stunning, very nice layered cut. Beautiful. And then we once again see someone mid-length hair. The stylist cuts the hair into more of like a shoulder length bob or lob style. Very nice. Her hair looks so thick and full. Beautiful. Alright you guys, I hope you were able to gain some major hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.